Here we are. This is Linnei train station. You can rent a bicycle with a super cheap price right next to the train station. All the spots we are going to do today can be reached by cycling. It's very convenient to have a trip in Linnei.
Hello everybody, I'm Moko. I'm currently at Yunlin, Linnei Township. And this is my first time to come to Yunlin. It's kind of fun for me. Today I'm going to take you guys to explore Yunlin with me. So let's go! And you can see the words behind me. This is a pun for meeting happiness in Chinese. Okay, let's go! Look what's behind me. Now we are going to pluck the taros.
The farmer is teaching me how to pluck it.
Okay, I'm going to pluck the taro.
这样挖可以挖起来了，压架机再压，加油耶！哎呦，喷汁了，然后，啦 ，OK 啦。
Yeah, I made it! This is my first time to pluck a taro. I'm so happy, and it's kind of tiring because it's really heavy and it's kind of dirty, but still have fun. See how big it is? It's a little bit dangerous because the knife is pretty sharp and it's super heavy, so it's a little bit difficult to pluck it out, but it's really fun. You should try it as well. The weather is awesome today.
Look the sky behind me. It's bright blue and clear.
It's so sunny.
Linnei abounds in taros. Look how big and fresh they are. Hence, we are going to do some taro cuisines and dessert by ourselves. First of all, we are going to make baked taros. Mash the taro and add sauce, vegetables, and cheese into the bowl. After mixing them well, and add some cream sauce. Fill it into the steamed taro. Put more cheese on the top. Then it's time for baking. Done! Secondly, we are going to make a taro rice roll cake. Mix up sugar and butter with mashed taro. Add some milk and adjust its consistency. Roll up the cake. After setting the roll cake in the fridge, cut it into slices. It's time to enjoy the taro feast. There are also many different kinds of taro cuisines. You can try to cook them at home.
Look what I've got! I have taro balls with shaved ice. This is taro balls, and now I'm going to try it. It's a chewy ball that is made of taro and some kind of Taiwanese rice. I really like it. And now I'm going to try the taro itself. It's so sweet and I just love it. Now I got the taro rice cake roll and I'm going to eat it. Their cake is made of Taiwanese rice, not flour, so it's much more natural and healthy. And the taro is very smooth and soft. Hope you enjoy it. Now we are riding the bicycle to the other spot.
They refuse to use any kind of chemical pesticides. Hence, you can enjoy their fruits without taking any fatal chemicals.
The sun is too bright.
Pick up the orange. You use this knife. Not knife, scissors. Just cut it. Ta-da! And put it in your bag. And let's take another one.
We're picking up our oranges in our bag. We are going to wash it. We thought they will use water to wash those oranges, but actually they just brush it.
The machine can sort oranges by their sizes. It's very efficient. Look how gorgeous are these oranges.
Now we are riding a bicycle to the next stop, actually for lunch.
This is the place we are going to have our lunch. They don't have a regular menu. They will serve the dishes by the ingredients they have at the moment. Mostly are seasonal vegetables, and also dogs they raise in their coffee farm. These leads to give us healthy and fresh cuisine. Finish our lunch, we are going to make our own orange passion fruit tea. Making this fruit tea is time-consuming, needs to be patient. While waiting for cooking our fruit tea, let's walk around their coffee farm. It's literally a biodiverse organic coffee farm. Hence, you can see dogs walking around the coffee farm. Oh, it bit me! Finally done our own fruit tea with lovely packaging. By cycling, we arrive at our last stop. It's a lovely and greeny garden. Now we are going to do a succulent DIY. They have prepared all the stuff we need already. I literally fall in love with these cute succulents. Oops!
You can also have papaya milk over here. So tasty. Because in this place they abound with papaya. So you can drink papaya milk and enjoy your succulent DIY.
I had a great day in Linnei. I'm sure you will have an impressive journey as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next journey. Bye!